Come test drive the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, cold weather package, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, power windows, trip computer, compass, rear window defroster, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.